Although the lion is called the king of beasts, the tiger stands as the most fierce and dangerous of the big cats on the planet. They are widely spread on the earth and can adapt to a variety of environments, starting from North Siberia and right to the Indonesian islands. For many centuries, different people from various regions coexisted with tigers all around the world. However, that balance was disrupted, which caused some tiger subspecies to become extinct forever. The Bali tiger was the first to disappear, and not because of the nature, but because of the humans and their impact. The Bali tiger was the smallest of all tiger subspecies, comparable in size to a mountain lion or leopard. A theory called island dwarfing suggests that animals on smaller islands evolved to be smaller over time due to the limited resources. This theory might explain why Indonesian tigers, including the Bali tiger, evolved to be smaller than their counterparts. The Bali tiger's small size was likely an adaptation to smaller prey, which is why they were only half the size of the Siberian tiger, which is the largest tiger subspecies. The Bali tigers had to tail length ranges from 1.9 meters to 2.3 meters and weighed between 90 to 100 kilograms. In contrast, the Siberian tigers' head-to-tail lengths can reach up to 2.7 meters to 3.6 meters and weighed between 180 kilograms up to 315 kilograms. Unlike all other tiger subspecies, which lived in a vast area and wandered through the forests and jungles of Eurasia, the Bali tiger lived on a tiny Indonesian island, whose size is a bit larger than the Rhode Island in the United States. However, Indonesia is unique among countries with the tiger populations, as it is the only place where tigers have evolved on islands. Bali Island, situated next to Java and Sumatra, is part of the Greater Sunda Islands chain in Indonesia. The extinct Bali and Java tigers, along with the critically endangered Sumatran tiger, all of them evolved from a single ancestor known as the Sunda tiger. It's believed that each tiger subspecies became isolated and uniquely adapted to its island habitat when sea levels rose after the last ice age around 10,000 years ago. However, the isolation from the rest of the world didn't stop them from thriving. The tiger was the apex predator of Bali's forests, playing a vital role in maintaining the balance of other species. Its diet primarily included the Javan rooster deer, wild boar, monkeys, Indian muntjac, red jungle fowl, wild cow, and monitor lizards. Unlike lions, the tigers don't have a permanent couple and they don't live in a family group. After a pregnancy that lasted an average of 103 days, females gave birth to 2 or 3 tiger cubs weighing from 0.9 kilograms to 1.3 kilograms. Young tigers remained with their mom for up 1.5 or 2 years. In Western culture, the tiger is often associated with danger, power, and aggression. However, the indigenous settlers of Bali feared them. They believed that the tigers were evil spirits and ground up their whiskers to make poison. Despite their initial fear, they learned to live alongside the tigers and coexist in a human-tiger equilibrium. With the arrival of Europeans, things began to change. When Dutch settlers arrived to colonize the island of Bali, they deforested the tiger's natural habitat to make way for palm plantations and irrigated rice fields, while deliberately baiting and killing the small population of tigers. By the turn of the 20th century, the Bali tigers were pushed to their last refuge in the island's mountainous northwestern areas. The Dutch hunted these tigers for over 300 years until they were completely extirpated and their habitats were converted for farming and settlements. During the Dutch colonial period, European sportsmen from Java conducted hunting trips. Bali tigers were hunted by first luring them with bait, setting a heavy paw trap hidden beneath the bait, usually goat or muntjac, and then shooting them at close range. The Bali tiger was particularly susceptible to extinction due to its limited range on the small island of Bali, where it had no escape from its only predators, humans. One single hunter killed over 20 tigers in just a few years. A unique appearance was one of the reasons why tigers were hunted. The Bali tigers had distinct bar-type patterns on their heads and white fur on their underbelly, which stood out against their dark orange body fur. This white fur formed a curved, distinct line. Some suggest that these features, along with their smaller size, give the Bali tiger a more graceful appearance compared to other tigers. Unfortunately, this uniqueness led to their demise. The last confirmed sighting of a Bali tiger was an adult female shot in West Bali in September 1937. While rumors of sightings persisted for 30 years, potentially until the 1970s, this couldn't be confirmed. The Bali tiger was officially declared extinct in 2008. They were never photographed alive or kept at zoo. Today, only 10 skins and skulls of tigers are known to be preserved in museum collections across the world. People realized to save the tiger when it was already too late. Yet, this story not only taught humanity to save the natural habitat of animals, but also drew attention to the extinction of other tiger species. There are not many tigers left around the world, so our main goal is to save other tiger species that are still alive.